Baked salmon with roasted vegetables and quinoa. Ingredients: 1 salmon fillet about 4 ounces, 1 cup of mixed vegetables such as broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers, 1/2 cup of quinoa, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper. Taste lemon wedges for serving instructions. Preheat the oven to 375 F, 190C. Rinse the quinoa and cook according to package instructions. Cut the vegetables into bite-sized pieces and place them on a baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Bake the vegetables for 20 to 25 minutes or until they are tender and slightly browned. Place the salmon fillet on the same baking sheet and season with salt and pepper. Bake the salmon for 12 to 15 minutes or until it is cooked through. Serve the salmon and vegetables over a dish of quinoa. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the top. Before serving, this recipe is low in calories, high in protein and fiber, and has a low glycemic index due to the combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats from the salmon and vegetables, and the slow-digesting carbohydrates from the quinoa. Plus, it's as easy to customize with your favorite vegetables and seasonings, making it a versatile and sustainable meal option.